We're learning about insects this week, and I have a book for you called Bugs, 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 Bugs. That's a pretty big picture of the praying mantis. Yikes! Bugs look scary up close, but you don't need to worry. Most bugs are a danger only to other insects. They are bugs that really bug other bugs. This one is a stag beetle, a dragonfly, a praying mantis, and a beetle hunting wasp. That beetle is killing that wasp. This praying mantis sits perfectly still, but if you are a bug, watch out. A fly lands on a branch near a praying mantis. The mantis fixes its big eyes on the fly. In a second, the mantis lashes out. Its front legs trap the fly. They pull it to the mantis's mouth. Munch, crunch, soon the fly is gone. Some bugs hunt other bugs not to eat themselves, but to feed to their babies. This hunting wasp has just stung a beetle. Can you see? He stung that beetle that's underneath him. It will drag the beetle to its nest and lay eggs on the beetle. When the eggs hatch, the young wasps called grubs will eat the beetle up. Wood ants are tiny, but they have sharp jaws and they can squirt acid from their bodies. This acid can kill another bug. These wood ants have found a dead bug. Together, the swarming ants will tear the bug to pieces and carry it back to their nest. It is a quiet day by a pond. 1 second, a mosquito is buzzing along. The next second, a dragonfly swoops down and snaps the mosquito right out of the air. Dragonflies are flying killers that eat and eat and eat. In half an hour, they can eat their own body weight. What that means is in a half an hour, they can eat as much of other bugs that would weigh the same weight as their whole self. That would be like you sitting down to lunch and eating so much food that it weighed as much as you do. That's a lot. That's like you eating, 250 hot dogs. Do you think you could eat 250 hot dogs? I know I couldn't. An assassin is a person who kills another person on purpose. The assassin bug is a bug that really lives up to its name. When it catches another insect, it injects the insect with poison. The poison turns the bug's insides to soup. Then the assassin bug sucks up the soup. Yikes, that's kind of brutal. Only one bug has to watch out for the male stag beetle, another male stag beetle. What do they fight about? Usually a female stag beetle. The fighting beetles poke at each other, then lock jaws. One beetle grabs the other beetle and throws him. The loser scurries away. They're pretty tough, those stag beetles fighting over the girls. With so many killer bugs and other hungry animals, how do any insects survive? Some bugs have special ways to trick their enemies. Turn the page and read all about them. Okay, this is a monarch butterfly caterpillar. This is a hoverfly. This is a click beetle. And this is a postman butterfly caterpillar. Stink bugs have glands that make smells. Some stink bugs ooze a nasty smelling liquid when they are in danger. That's a big turnoff, so that sends the other bugs away. Stink bugs are also known as shield bugs. Some use their flat bodies to shield their young from hungry insects and birds. Okay, see this beetle is on top of its eggs, protecting them. That's what they mean by shielding them. The monarch butterfly looks easy to capture and eat, but hungry bugs and birds leave it alone. Why? In the insect world, bright colors are a warning. Bright orange signals that this butterfly tastes bad. Even the monarch caterpillars taste awful. Okay, so because they're those bright orange colors, other bugs and birds leave them alone because they think they'll taste bad, and I guess they do. This caterpillar's long hairs break easily. When enemies try to catch it, they get a mouthful of hair instead. Can you see how he's all fuzzy? I've seen fuzzy caterpillars and they're kind of cute, but maybe they make it so that other insects and creatures don't want to eat them. And this spiky caterpillar can be deadly. The leaves that it eats make its body poisonous. It is not harmed by the poison, but its enemies are. A thorn bug is good at hiding. It looks like a thorn on a twig. A bird looking for a meal might not see it. Okay, so here's like a rose bush stem, and here's a thorn. Well, here's the thorn bug. Doesn't it look just like a thorn? So other creatures that might want to eat it wouldn't even see it because it's camouflaged by looking like a thorn. Thorn bugs are smart too. They sometimes all face the same way and stay very still. Oh, that's funny. Okay, so look at all the thorn bugs on this branch, all facing the same way so that they look like thorns. To avoid being eaten, this click beetle has a clever way of escaping. It arches its back and then jumps into the air. If the beetle lands upside down, it throws itself into the air again, this time hoping to land safely on its feet. So there it is upside down. One of these bugs is a harmless hoverfly. The other is a hornet with a nasty sting. Can you tell which is which? No? Neither can most bugs and birds. That's why they leave both of these insects alone. Still don't know which is which? The fly is the bug on the left. So this is a harmless hoverfly, but this one is a hornet that would sting and really hurt. The end. All right, I'll see you in a bit.